pamilyang nandito. I'm Angelica.
I'm Mayaka. I'm Jean.
I'm Mariel.
And we are...
Wink! Ayan. So thank you so much, Net25 Family Fun Run for having us. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, maulan man, pero tuloy pa rin ang takbuhan at kantahan. So ang kantang kinanta po namin ay Tala, isang produkto ng aming mother company, ang Flip Music. And kakalaunch lang po namin last July, kaya mamaya lang, marinig nyo na ang aming debut single na Tulala! Yes, pwede nyo po yung pakinggan anytime, stream ang aming music video at iba pang update sa aming social media account at VBINKPH. Like, subscribe, and follow nyo po kami. Let's rise together!
Pero syempre, congrats muna sa lahat ng finishers at sa lahat ng sumali sa Fun Run. Ito mo lang kayo, winner na kayong lahat. At sa lahat ng tatakbo pa, di good luck. Sa lahat ng tatakbo pa, make sure na safe kayo palagi and prepare.
Once again, we are Wing, together with all the fun runners. Tuloy natin ang entertainment. You may sing and dance with us. Ito po ang aming debut single, Tulala! Wing! Alright, once again mga ka-Net25, let's give it up for Wing!
Galing ng talented girls natin. How are you guys? You guys are so cutesy. I love your little keychains. Ano ba yung tawag dyan? Yung anik-anik. Ayun.
So cute. Well, Wing, you know, before you perform, ang dami na nandito na nag-cheer para sa inyo. Ano naman muna ang mensahe nyo para sa kanila?
So hello sa ating Winkies! Grabe, kahit naulan, nandyan pa rin talaga kayo nakasuporta sa amin. We love you so much, Winkies! Umulan man o umaraw, mahal namin kayo!
Yan, grabe yung supporta ninyo. Umuulan na nandito pa rin sila, oh. That's so cute. Anong tawag niyo sa inyong mga fans?
Winkies! Now, let's try to get more people to also support you. Can you tell us about your story? Kailan kayo binuo? At kamusta naman yung samahan nyo ngayon?
Yes, so nabuo po kami, nag-debut po kami last July 10 and we've been training 2 years from now na po. And then, ayun po, meron po kaming pre-debut single before debut po, which is may 2 singles each po kami. And available po siya sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms. And syempre po, our debut single, Tulala, is also out now.
Wow! Ayan, guys, saan ba kayo mahahanap? Since na-mention nyo na meron kayong upcoming releases, saan ba kayo mahahanap on social media?
Follow niyo po kami sa aming social media accounts at BBINKPH po.
Ayan, guys, please follow them. Search them online.
Now, okay, we are at the Family Fun Run at tinanong namin yung last group about this. Kayo, just training takes a lot of endurance, takes a lot of strength. Ano naman yung ginagawa nyo para sigurado kayo na healthy kayo?
Syempre po, everyday we do morning exercises. We do cardio and eat a balanced diet. And yun po, lagi po kami nagko-core exercise. Sabay-sabay po kami 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
Ganyan. So, yun po, we always do it together para po masaya. And yeah, we just enjoy having fun, you know, exercising together.
That's so nice na nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong ginagawa, guys. Ang cute ko talaga. Kayo ba, ano yung inyong tips para mabalance lahat ng ginagawa ninyo? Kasi I'm sure napaka-busy ninyo at saka ang dami nyong ginagawa to train and to do all of this.
Bale po, personally po, ako, before po ako sumalubong ng bagong day, the night before, I always make a timetable po kung ano pong gagawin ko the next day. Minsan, hindi siya nasusunod, pero I try my best to always, you know, write down kung ano po lagi kong dapat gawin.
I love it. Very organized talaga. I'm like that too. And I was gonna say, Kanisha, perfect na P-pop groups actually perform for our Family Fun Run today because they're the perfect example of fitness and health. It takes a lot to do what you girls do. So let's give it up one more time for Wing.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you and congratulations!
Thank you for being a part of our event. Mga Kanet 25, na-enjoy niyo ba yon? Ay, parang hindi. Na-enjoy niyo ba? Yeah.
Grabe.